Hey man, this might not be the best look for you. I mean, like, I don't know if this is gonna work, bro.
I don't know if it's gonna work neither.
Okay, like without these, I can't.
How far can you see? Can you see Tino from here? Like clear? Like Tino was literally right here.
Tino, I mean, I see like a black figure.
Why you gotta be a black figure?
Cause he black. Shit. Like, what do you mean? Why you gotta be?
I forgot about that.
Like, that's Tino. Yeah. Man, you look like Urkel too.
Damn. Bro.
I'm blind as fuck, yo.
You dead as hell, nigga. Yeah. Like, you are not alive right now, bro. This nigga is dead, dog. How do you even see? How do you see right now? Like, how many fingers I got up?
2, 4, 5.
Stupid.
Man.
You gonna make them.
Yeah.
Damn, I can see through your soul.
Now look at this. 2 shades. No sun around him. The director of directors. Look at this.
Yeah, we're out working, Perry.
Man. Set that whole camera up. This is the rig.
That's the car rig right here, Perry. Tell him. It's the car rig. Yeah, I think that when it falls, it should be a slow-mo. Right here. You need it when we pull up, when we run up. We can't wrap it up after using that.
On one of like the sunniest, brightest days, it just decides to rain. Like, come on, Michigan.
Like, yeah, here I am.
You can't be a gangster in the rain? Come on.
No, not today. Hit a chitty chitty bang bang. East side, what up? Motherfucker hate. Hey, that's a slap in the face, right?
Please for giving me the opportunity. Appreciate you, my nigga J Boy, for putting in that good word for your baby.
That's what's up.
But yeah, I appreciate it. Thank all y'all, man, for believing in a real bitch.
If you cry, you gonna make me cry. If you cry, I cry. We cry together.
I came from nothing, you know. Me and him.
We wrapped the whole movie, dog.
The whole
That's
movie.
my first movie, too.
Your first movie. Congratulations, bro.
fucking
Congratulations.
movie,
That's my second one that we wrapped. You know what I'm saying? Instafamous coming 2020, baby. Be on the lookout.
Mrs. Nigel. You must be Christina, right? It's very nice to meet you. Yeah, she was. Oh, we weren't supposed to say that. I'm so sorry. Never mind. Don't mind that. Oh,
It's a wrap, baby.
We're brothers.
We wrapped the movie.
We're happy and we're singing. And me and him is colored. This nigga Indian.
I'm fuck out of here.
And he got bundles.
And he got bundles.
We wrapped the whole damn movie. My first movie, man. We good. Instafamous, here we come. If you're not pumped by this point to see the movie Instafamous, I don't know what's going on with you, man. It's going to be a fantastic film. I cannot wait for the world to see it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay fresh and stay golden. And go watch Instafamous.